Creating a pivot table allows you to slice and dice your CRM data to get the information that you need to make more informed decisions. To create a pivot table that shows the estimated revenue of opportunities for each sales rep in the sales pipeline stages, start at the Opportunities entity. We'll then press Export to Excel and select Dynamic Pivot Table. So here's where we can select the columns that we want to see within our pivot table. And some are already pre-selected. We'll enable editing. Now we can begin to create our pivot table. On the right side, we can see the fields that we can add to our pivot table. All we have to do is select and drag the field to their proper area. So I'll drag estimated revenue to values, owner to rows, and pipeline phase to rows. To make estimated revenue a sum value, we can click on the arrow and select Value Field Settings. We'll then choose Sum. Now we're ready to save the pivot table and then input it as a report within CRM. We can now exit this workbook and go back to CRM. We can add the pivot table as a report to CRM by going to the Report entity and then selecting New. We'll choose the report type to be an existing file, and then we'll be able to choose the file that we just saved. And press Save and Close. By saving it as a report in CRM, we'll only have to go through the steps of setting it up once, and whenever we want to see this report again, we can just go back to Reports and select it. And now we can see our pivot table open and automatically refresh the data, so that it is always up to date.